Hello, today is Thursday, August 6, 2026. Here is your daily signal. Oil prices have dropped for the third day as Axios notes signs of progress toward a deal between the U.S., Iran, and Oman to reopen the Strait of Hormuz, while Fortune reports exclusive access to a UN-backed plan aiming to break the shipping impasse. The Strait of Hormuz is a strategic waterway, with around 20% of global oil passing through. Recent U.S.-Iran conflict has severely disrupted ship traffic since mid-2026, fueling worldwide energy market volatility and increased transportation risk premiums. Key numbers show that on August 4, Fortune revealed a UN-backed plan for reopening the strait, and just days earlier, the world's largest shipbroker logged record earnings thanks to the exceptional volatility in Hormuz. If negotiations succeed, oil prices and shipping premiums could rapidly drop, but ongoing uncertainty keeps freight and insurance high. Over time, repeated outages may drive diversification of energy trade routes, encourage investments in alternative supply chains, and reward agile shipping brokers while punishing less adaptable firms. Next, onto the regulatory upheaval shaping U.S. artificial intelligence governance. Fortune highlights the White House's refusal to release the AI model evaluation framework reviewed with OpenAI, Anthropic, Microsoft, and others, while Business Insider covers the biggest regulatory debates as these major players meet in Washington, and Senate Democrats warn via Fortune that unpredictable rules may prompt U.S. firms to choose cheap, risky Chinese AI alternatives. The U.S. government is intensifying efforts to regulate AI in response to rapid technological advances and mounting cybersecurity concerns, particularly after recent high-profile breaches involving OpenAI and Anthropic have spooked the public. Amid these tensions, the Trump administration pursues a framework while facing pushback from industry and Democrats. News from August 4 includes the White House's secretive meeting with prominent AI giants, ongoing debates over Trump's oversight plan, and Democratic warnings that unclear regulation is driving American companies to Chinese AI vendors for cost reasons. Short-term opacity from the White House may erode trust with leading AI firms, stifle investment, and risk a drift toward less secure Chinese solutions. In the medium run, uncertain U.S. guidance could undermine its global AI leadership and heighten exposure to cybersecurity assaults and international competition. Next, let's turn to the surging fortunes of SpaceX in 2026. According to TechCrunch, SpaceX has doubled its revenue over the past year, fueled by lucrative compute deals with Anthropic and Google and robust Starlink growth, with Next Big Future confirming quarterly revenues hit $7.8 billion, besting analyst expectations by $1 billion and resulting in positive EBITDA. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk and newly public since June, has dramatically expanded its business beyond rocket launches into satellite, internet, and computing partnerships, including AI workloads with Anthropic and Google. Starlink's user base and revenues have also grown significantly throughout 2026. Crucially, the new compute deals and Starlink expansion drove the outstanding financial performance. TechCrunch reports that these partnerships were a major revenue driver, and the Q2 number exceeded forecasts despite some market volatility. SpaceX's impressive gains may boost investor confidence and market value, further cementing its strategic position in both cloud and AI sectors. Expanded revenue streams could accelerate infrastructure investment and spark additional partnerships, while the tech sector is poised to respond competitively to SpaceX's success in the medium term. Now, onto the markets. The international category saw mixed moves, with France posting mild gains as EWQ closed just above 47.5, while China large cap slipped slightly even as FXI surged over 11% for the month, and Japan edged up marginally. Chile led among international movers, with ECH rising 1.3% day over day, and India saw slight declines despite inter-monthly advance. Commodities traded strongly. Gold jumped over 41% day over day to settle near 389.6, and silver matched that pace, while U.S. oil fell by 0.7% for the day but climbed almost 10% over the month, with copper jumping nearly 8% monthly. Among favorites, Nvidia advanced 3.4% today, bringing monthly gains to more than 12%, while Microsoft slipped by about 1% despite a 26% month-on-month surge. Amazon pulled back 1.7% but recorded double-digit monthly growth, and Adobe posted steady gains on strength. Key gainers included Ito, which soared more than 4,300%, and YXD up over 400%, while the top losers were Recon Technology, down 86% for the day, and Limbach Holdings dropped 35%. In sectors, healthcare outperformed, rising 1.3% thanks to Roman 45, while semiconductors lagged with stocks dropping 2% day over day, and clean energy also fell sharply for the month. That's it for today. You can find more news and details on our website. Goodbye.